The ocean is the deepest and strangest place on Earth, where utter darkness and mystery envelop everything. It is believed that 95% of it remains unknown to human eyes, hiding mysterious creatures and legends that have puzzled scientists and terrified sailors for centuries, from the giant kraken that tears ships apart with its massive arms to the Grand Maga, the giant sea serpent. In this video, we will explore the most terrifying legendary creatures that have inhabited the depths of the ocean. Where sunlight dares not reach, a mysterious creature resembling a human hides. It is the Ningen, which lives in the Japanese and sub-Antarctic oceans. It is a water creature similar to humans, but also resembles a whale. The Ningen is extremely rare, and over the years, there have been many alleged sightings. 2010 Japanese researchers specializing in whales documented what is considered the most reliable video of the Ningen ever. The video was filmed in Arctic waters by the Japan Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology. A mysterious smile and glowing white eyes. Initially, some believed this might be a new type of whale, but according to marine biologists, this creature does not resemble any known type of whale, meaning it could be the closest humans have come to seeing a Ningen. But there is another mysterious creature that evokes terror in the depths of the sea near the Gulf of Mexico, called the Bigfin Squid. This creature was discovered in 2017 during deep-sea drilling operations in the Gulf of Mexico and was of unusual size, after analyzing to over 20 feet. Just look at this video and you'll notice how strange it is. It is believed to feed by dragging its long tentacles along the ocean floor, but this is just speculation because, in the end, we don't know much about this mysterious creature. But the legendary monster first described in the 13th century was believed by sailors to live in the Atlantic Ocean near the coast of Norway and Iceland. This legendary creature was described by ancient warriors as so massive that it could swallow ships with its giant arms. The Kraken first appeared in sailors' tales, part of folklore. But is it real? In Norse mythology, it is said that a ship sailing in the Pacific Ocean laden with treasures one night began to calm strangely. Suddenly, giant arms emerged from the depths. The Kraken was approaching rapidly, wrapping around the ship, smashing the sails and wooden structures. The crew tried to survive, but the Kraken was faster, swallowing them one by one while its arms slowly sank the ship. In the end, nothing remained. The Kraken has terrified sailors for centuries. There is another creature no less terrifying in the depths of the ocean today called the Bloop. Scientists still do not know whether this creature is a legend or reality. In 1997, like an underwater volcanic explosion, but there is a stranger hypothesis that it could be a giant sea creature, larger than any known being. In 2018, something unusual happened in the Pacific Ocean. A scientist placed a tracking device on a 10-foot great white shark to monitor its depth and water temperature. At first, everything was normal as the shark swam towards deeper waters, but suddenly the shark was pulled to a depth of 2,300 feet. But this is unlikely. The tracking device recorded an internal temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not preferred by orcas. So what could be big and strong enough to swallow a great white shark of this size? Perhaps the answer is a mysterious creature like the Bloop. Now that we have left the Bloop behind, we will dive a little deeper into the sea where the Grand Maga awaits us, a legendary creature from Cuban and Caribbean folklore. It is described as a giant sea serpent that can reach hundreds of meters in length. It is said to appear only when there is excessive interference with the marine environment. According to legend, the Grand Maga is a sea guardian. If humans attempt to spoil the oceans or exploit them irresponsibly, the Maga appears to stop them. It is said to possess immense power that allows it to sink ships carrying ill intentions or seeking to destroy the marine environment. Its appearances are accompanied by storms in the Caribbean Sea, where the waters were completely dark and only shadows surrounded them. While they were in the depths of the sea, a massive creature suddenly appeared before them. It was the Grand Maga, the giant sea serpent. Its eyes glowed in the darkness, silently staring at them. It did not move for a long time, as if it were watching them intently. Then, suddenly, it moved with terrifying speed. Despite the fact that we have come a long way in exploring the vastness of space, and have seen beyond the stars and distant planets, we have only managed to discover 5% of the ocean, the most mysterious place on our planet. Humanity and creatures that our minds cannot even imagine their shape. The question that always occupies my mind is, why do we look to explore distant space while the depths of our planet remain unknown? Is it the fear of what we might find there in the dark? Or does the ocean itself insist on keeping its secrets buried away from human reach? Let us always remember that there are things we cannot see with the naked eye, but it is curiosity that drives us to discover them. And while the ocean remains a world full of mystery, some of these stories may be mere fantasy or perhaps hold some truth. In the end, the ocean remains a vast world that always stirs our curiosity and imagination. If you are a fan of this kind of mysterious and informative content, don't forget to subscribe and follow us to explore more secrets and